Good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Today we will study sentences of simple present tense, and in simple present tense we will prepare sentences with adverbial. What is an adverbial? Adverbial is a word or a phrase which gives more information about a verb. For example, often, always, usually, never, sometimes. These are some of the examples of adverbials. These are words. And at night, on Sunday, once a month, morning, daily. These are also some of the examples of adverbial. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. So in this sentence, daily, it is adverbial. I sometimes go to garden. I sometimes go to garden. So here sometimes it is an adverbial. I often play in the evening. Here in the evening it is an adverbial. So have you understood what is an adverbial? Yes. Can you prepare your own sentences of simple present tense with adverbials? Yes or no? Yes. You can raise your hand. At one time, one student will tell the sentence. You can raise your hand and tell the sentences. Yes, Shruti?
He always finished his tiffin box.
He always finish his tiffin box. Good sentence. Gitanjali?
He always go to school.
He always go to school. He always goes to school. If the subject is he, she, it, you have to make use of yes form. He always goes to school. Please tell your sentence.
He sometimes sleeps in the home.
He sometimes sleeps in the home. Okay. Tell your sentence.
I always go to garden.
I always go to garden. I always go to garden. If the subject is he, she, it, then only you will make use of yes form of the verb. Yes, tell your sentence.
Yeah.
Yes, he
always go to garden.
He always goes to garden. He always goes to garden. Good sentence.
He always goes to school by cycle.
He always go to school by cycle. Very good sentence. Your sentence.
He sometimes
He sometimes reads. He sometimes reads. Good sentence. Mallar, do you want to tell a sentence? Yes, tell your sentence.
He never sleeps in the garden.
He never sleeps in the garden. Very good sentence.
He reads at morning.
He reads in the morning. He reads in the morning. He reads in the morning.
He sometimes he never takes life. He always
Say loud. Wait. Say loudly.
he sometimes reading.
He sometimes reads. He sometimes reads.
He never takes life. He goes to temple daily.
Shruti goes to temple daily. Good sentence.
He never tells lie.
He never tells a lie. He never tells a lie.
I always go to school by bus.
I always go to school by bus.
He read at afternoon.
He read in the afternoon. He reads in the afternoon. Okay, good sentence.
I always go to the school by cycle.
I always go to school by cycle.
She practices the read daily.
She practices reading daily. She practices reading daily.
Sukanya goes to church or Sunday.
Shukanya goes to church on Sunday. Nice sentence.
He sometimes sleep in farm.
He sometimes sleeps in farm. Good sentence.
He practices the computer daily.
He practices computer daily.
He reads at morning.
He reads in the morning. He reads in the morning.
I always go to school by cycle.
I always go to school by cycle. Good sentence. Please.
She often meets me. She often meets me.
She often meets me. Nice sentence.
I always writes a poem. I always writes a poem.
I always writes a poem. Very good sentence.
We go to the garden once a week.
We go to garden once a week. Very good sentence.
He sometimes sleep in the school.
He sometimes sleeps in the school. Good sentence. Good sentence.
She sometimes sleep in the garden.
She sometimes sleeps in the garden.
We go to the temple once a month.
We go to temple once a month. Nice sentence.
Rutuja always go to home by bus.
Rutuja always goes to home by bus. Shivkanya.
Shraddha goes to temple on Sunday.
Shraddha goes to temple on Sunday.
He goes to temple.
He goes to temple. Okay, nice sentence.
I goes to garden on Sunday.
I go to garden on Sunday. I go to garden on Sunday.
I always go to temple.
I always go to temple. Nice sentence.
I always go to temple by bus.
I always go to temple by bus. Good sentence.
He usually sits at this corner.
He usually sits at this corner. Very good sentence.
He sometimes sleeps in the garden.
He sometimes sleeps in the garden.
He works at night.
He works at night. Very good sentence.
He takes tea every morning.
He takes tea every morning. Very nice sentence.
He never has life.
Yes. He never dances in the school. He never dances in the school. Is that your sentence?
He never dances school.
He never dances in the school. Good sentence.
He takes milk every night.
He takes milk every night. Very good sentence. Keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet.
She never tells lies.
She never tells a lie. She never tells a lie. Good sentence.
I always go to home.
I always go to home. Good sentence.
He takes water every morning.
He takes water every morning.
She practices the science question daily.
She practices science questions daily.
He often meets his friend.
He often meets his friend. Good sentence.
I always go to school.
I always go to school.
She never tells lies.
She never tells a lie. Good. I will ask you. Wait.
He takes milk every night.
He takes milk every night.
She sometimes sleeps in the garden.
She sometimes sleeps in the garden.
She goes to
garden by bus.
He sometimes goes in the garden.
He sometimes goes to garden.
I always go to farm.
I always go to farm. Keep quiet, keep quiet.
I always go to school.
I always go to school. Tell your sentence.
I always go to school in bike.
I always go to school by bike.
I always go to play.
I always go to play. Good sentence.
I always go to home by bus.
I always go to.
Home by bus.
Okay, I always go to home by bus. Good sentence.
We go to the garden once a week.
We go to garden once a week.
She never tells lies.
She never tells lies.
She often meets me.
She often meets me. Very good sentence. Keep quiet, Shraddha.
He comes to home.
He comes to home.
She usually sits at this desk.
She usually sits at this desk.
I always go to house by cycle.
I always go to house by cycle. Good sentence.
He takes tea every morning.
He takes tea every morning.
Akshara goes to temple on Monday.
Akshara goes to temple on Monday.
He practices the Kho.
He practices Kho daily.
She sometimes sleep in the home.
She sometimes sleeps in the home.
Peter goes to church on Friday.
Peter goes to church on Friday.
Karan goes to temple on the Wednesday.
Karan goes to temple on Wednesday.
Samar goes to church on the Friday.
Samarth goes to church on Friday.
He takes mineral water every morning.
He takes mineral water every morning. Good sentence.
He never tells lies.
He never tells lies. Nice sentence. He practices dance daily.
He never tells true. He never tells true.
He never tells true. Okay.
Karan goes to church on the Sunday.
Karan goes to.
Church on the.
Okay, Karan goes to church on Sunday.
We go to the garden
He goes to garden
on the
on Sunday.
Abhay sometimes sleep in farm.
Repeat.
Abhay sometimes sleep in farm.
Abhay sometimes sleeps in farm.
He also go to bike.
He often goes to
School by bike.
school by bike. I always go to class by car.
Always go to garden by bike.
Very good sentence.